Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Dio, and in this video, we're going to be talking about how to log into your Azure VM without using RDP, also known as Remote Desktop Client, inside of your Windows desktop. The way we're going to do this is by using something called Bastion. And the Bastion allows you to connect using the web browser. So let's go ahead and see how this works. To set up the Bastion, you do this by going into your Azure VM resource, click Connect, and then select Bastion. And over here on this screen, you can select Deploy Bastion. This will take a few minutes, so let's continue once it's done. We can see now that the deployment is complete. And what you see here is that we now have the option to sign in with our credentials. And these are the same credentials you use to log into the VM. I'll put mine in, and then I'll hit Connect. You might get a pop-up blocker message, and this might just be your browser blocking the new tab from opening. We're going to go up here and click Allow. Now we'll try the credentials again. Now we see the new tab. Once you see the new tab, one question they might ask you is if you want to have access to the clipboard to copy and paste items into the VM. Click Allow, and the VM will continue to sign you in. Here you go. You can now access your Azure VM from a web browser. Let's go ahead and test out the clipboard option that we agreed to earlier. I'll open Notepad and I'll try to paste something to see if I have anything in my clipboard. As you can see, I have nothing there. Now, if you hit this little arrow to the left-hand side, might be a little hard to see, but if you look closer, it's right in the middle on the left-hand side. And this will open up the clipboard tab. I'll write a quick text to copy over. Now let's see how it comes over in Notepad. Go ahead and right click and then press paste. As you can see, it came over just fine. All right, that's it for this video. Hope you now know how to use your Azure VM in your web browser by deploying a Bastion resource. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, or share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.